morning everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Spinach Ohitashi. It's a very popular Japanese side dish, perfect for any meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and of course bento lunchbox. Have you ever tried it? It's simple yet delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out.
皆様こんにちは。これからほうれん草のおひたしを作ります。
Here are the ingredients. I'm going to use dashi powder to make dashi broth. This is quick and easy. Mix a bit of dashi powder into 2 tablespoons of hot water. Now you have 2 tablespoons of dashi broth, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of mirin, or 1/3 teaspoon of sugar is okay because it has the same sweetness. Mix well.
ほうれん草
Now let's cook spinach. Cut off the roots of the stem. Make a cross cut. If the stem is dirty with soil, you can wash thoroughly in this way. Our spinach was clean, so we just washed. Boil water in a large pot and add a pinch of salt. Add spinach from the stem side and cook for about 15 to 30 seconds. Drain and wash with running water to cool. Squeeze the spinach to remove excess water. Use paper towel if you have. Cut into 1.5 inch long pieces. Soak in Dashi Soy Sauce. You can serve it immediately or best eaten by the next day. Serve on a dish. Garnish with Katsuobushi bonito flakes. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
どうですか？おいしい？
おいしいね。ぜひ作ってください。バイバイ。チャンネル登録お願いします。ゲットボタンを押してね。バイバイ。